So the DEX marketplace is heating up. There are a lot of players out there who are saying they're DEX champions. With NTT Data, we look at Nexthink as one of the key players there. But from your perspective, why should someone choose Nexthink? What differentiates you in the market?
Well, first of all, it's great news for employees out there in big companies that DEX is picking up as a new upcoming domain in end-user computing, because that means better end-user experience, better employee experience for every single employee. The way we try to explain how unique Nexthink is, first of all, we are the largest company really focused on DEX. There are other companies that they have 200 other products. So here we try to do one thing and to do it well. Secondly, we are, for instance, the ones that also they are somehow educating the market, that they are somehow expanding the category. So we are the organizers of the largest conference. We are the creators of the DEX Hub. We actually have, so we try also to explain, and we try to, because DEX is a new domain, so we also try to somehow expand this new domain into new possibilities, new use cases, which I think is delivering even more value to customers. Last but not least, the product, I think it's a very different product than other companies for three reasons. First is because we actually made a bet on what we call total experience. And total experience is all about monitoring every single interaction, digital interaction that an employee is having throughout the journey in his company. Meaning it's not about a blue screen, or it's not about a bad connectivity, it's about how is the experience with collaboration applications, how is the experience with SaaS applications, with virtualization. So this is total experience. Second, in terms of product, automation. Automation. So we just launched Nexthink Flow, which is really the most advanced, I would say, orchestration system for end-user computing. Because DEX is all about prevention, so we really need automation. And last but not least, really the AI piece. So at Nexthink, we were born as an AI company, actually as a spin-off of the Artificial Intelligence Laboratory in Switzerland, the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology. And from the very beginning, we have this AI DNA. And we were able to introduce capabilities like Assist, but now we are somehow reinventing DX with Nexthink.ai, which is basically putting all these assets, the information of Nexthink, the automation of Nexthink, generative AI, and democratize DEX, not only to IT, but also to employee, to other chatbots. So there's a huge amount of innovation that we're gonna see. So all these things together, I think, make Nexthink quite unique. In the current economy, customers obviously are asking for better experience for their employees, but at the same time, CFOs, CEOs, boards, they're asking for more efficiency, cost control. So what is the role of DX into the current environment?
Yeah, it's an interesting global macroeconomic situation we're in right now. And so the knee-jerk reaction is to pull out DEX tools. That's what we're getting from our customers, right? Without them truly appreciating what the platform can deliver. And so one way is to really get cost optimization is to understand how are you keeping your employees productive? How are you making sure you reduce digital friction? And the ways to understand that is by using tools like Nexthink to understand how you really empower and make those employees productive. So, and then by doing so, you actually identify areas to deliver more productivity output from your employees. So what we try to do in a value realization framework is really show clients how we're actually able to extract productivity and prove it back to the clients. So I don't see Nexthink and tools that do experience monitoring as something you take out. This is exactly when you need to put in tools like Nexthink when we're going through these global macroeconomic initiatives.
Additionally, I think there is a little bit of misunderstanding on the ROI of DEX tools. And people, they used to think about productivity on the employee side, which is always kind of a soft cost. So we spend a lot of times actually together explaining customers that the power of a DEX tool is also hardware rationalization, it's also software metering, so they are able to rationalize software. And this is really hard cost. So the typical ROI that we see in some of these companies is really below 12 months because the amount of hardware and software that they're able to either eliminate or recycle is just huge. And this is really a hard cost. the productivity is on top of that. So definitely in the current environment, having a DEX solution is really a good investment.